Says right here you got to be in here at 9 o'clock in the morning. Fucking imagine that. What are we getting done here? I need these fucking cars done.
Man, honestly,
Oh, no, I come in here and you're laying on the fucking couch. What the fuck?
if it wasn't for me, nothing would get done here. Nothing.
You're fucking full of shit.
I'm mowing the grass.
No, you need to listen to me. What? Get the fuck out of here.
Man, go.
Get the fuck out of here. Go.
Man.
Fuck this guy. Fuck this. Get the fuck out of here.
Fucking bullshit. All right, everybody, I got the new nitrous system for the Camaro. It just showed up literally 5 minutes ago, and I'm really excited to unbox it. And I'm going to unbox it here on camera. And without further ado, let's get into it. Got to take out some of these doohickeys. We have some paper, which is just great. Throw that shit to the side. Throw it to the side. Okay, I don't really know what to pick yet. I don't know what to pick up yet because I'm so excited. Do we go with the biggest thing or the smallest thing first? Well, the smallest thing here is a t-shirt. Nice. It's pretty nice material, actually. Very nice, very nice. Throw it to the side. Apparently it was free, or they added it on to the price of the nitrous kit. Purge, the purge that goes with the system. Very nice, very nice. Here is something else, and here is something else. So that looks like it. Let me go ahead and put it up on the table and I'll show you guys what I got. So here is the system all as one. The only thing I'm missing is the shirt, which, unless you guys want to see me try that on. Alright, so we got, first things first, we got the plate system here. It is a dry shot, so it only comes with one solenoid. A Stinger, like, I think 2 plate or Stinger 3 plate. Should say it. Stinger 2 dry system here. And then over here in this package, we have a few things. We have the nitrous solenoid, or I'm sorry, the micro switch. An arming switch. A solenoid wrench, it looks like. Bottle brackets, a relay, some wiring, a bottle line, another solenoid bracket, some wiring materials, and looks like the jetting and the jet chart. Move that to the side, and then over here we have the purge kit. All right, everybody. We got the got a few things done. Got the nitrous outlet plate installed. Got the purge ran. Got the bottle line. Got the grounds hooked up. Got the wires ran, at least for the purge so far. Still got to wire in the nitrous solenoid. So got that going. But the purge is mostly hooked up. So I got the purge button hooked up right here, and let me show you guys. Hold on, this is super cool. Look at that. Oh, damn! But look how icy it is. Okay. Okay. But yeah, so we got that going. And my dad got this window done, as well as the driver's window. I don't know if I've showed you guys that yet. So my dad is working on the mounting the catch can. We have a Motion Raceworks catch can that we got with the motor. Got to mount it probably on the firewall, so we ain't got to remake the lines that it had. Save a couple bucks there, and AN line and braided line and AN fitting. So and then now I'm gonna start wiring the nitrous solenoid. I'm kind of curious for the to go into the plate. It's gonna be kind of interesting to wire that, especially routing it to the Holley terminator. So I do have a nitrous solenoid driver, so I don't know if I'm going to use that or just a relay. I guess it depends on. I guess I'll just see what I want to do. I think it's all the same thing, but it's going to be interesting to try and wire it through the Holley, the terminator, and because instead of a micro switch, it's going to activate via the throttle position sensor. So I guess you could set it at whatever percent throttle you want it to activate, like 70% or 80%, stuff like that. So. You're what?
I said I'm covered in fucking paint.
You poor baby. You know you gotta get up in there.
Did I ask? Let me do it. You should just let me do it.
Why you just shut the fuck up?
How about you quit running your fucking mouth?
Hey, I'm gonna go get this fucking haircut from this $90 fucking place.
For free. You're getting it for free. Okay?
You're not getting it for free.
Well, you're not fucking paying for it.
What? Well, they're gonna want fucking tax plus 20 at the cuts.
I pulled out $60 fucking for you.
They don't even know how to spell the actual right word, cuts. C-U-T-S, not.
I'm gonna fucking cut you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. God! Look at it. It's just running. They got it all over the thing. And this is a fucking hack job. Cue the Christmas tree clip. There's more lights.
Doing a fucking hack job.
Can you see the fucking lights now? Can you see the fucking lights now?
No, they're so far into the tree.
Oh my god!
What are you wrapping them up for?
So I can fucking.
Are you done?
Are you?
Because it's.
Oh my god!
Okay, what now?
Hold. Just stop. How about just stop? Just stop.
Come on.
I've never heard anyone
Stop.
tell anybody that they're doing a hack job on decorating
On
a
a fucking Christmas tree. He's so mean to me.
It's a beautiful tree. No, I'm telling you, it's beautiful. I'm loving it. I'm fucking loving it. Are you having fun?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Are you having fun?
This sucks dick.
Okay. Earlier this week, I didn't really have a video because, it was Thanksgiving and doing Thanksgiving stuff. But I'm going to try and make it up with a little update video of what we have going on this week and what we have going on next week and a few channel upgrades that we made. So first things first, channel upgrades. We have microphones. And I'm sorry if I blew your ear out while I was doing that. But we have mics, which is going to be great for the track because you guys probably seen me stop when the car is going down the track, like stop talking, or I would try and yell over a pro mod doing a burnout or a bracket car doing a burnout, stuff like that. So this should basically eliminate that, and you could hear better. It's just better all around. I also have new GoPros. I have a couple extra GoPros I picked up. which I can't wait because now I can stick one, like, let's just say we take multiple cars. I could stick one in the Mustang, stick one in the S10, stick one in the Camaro. It helps it out all around. Plus I have extra batteries because normally, my luck, I'd get strapped in, you know, about to go hit the starter, then hit the ignition, and somebody would oil down the racetrack, or, you know, they'd be down for track cleanup, you know, just in general track cleanup, and I'd be sitting there for 25 minutes, and I can't turn the GoPro off to be able to save the battery, which in the Mustang, I can't reach over that far. In the S10, where I have it, it's reachable. But also, I have these for, we also got these for PRI, which we are headed to PRI next week, 7th, 8th, and the 9th. Super excited because I've never been on an airplane. I've never been to Indiana, and I've never been to PRI. Super excited about PRI. If you're going to be at PRI and you see us, don't hesitate to say what's up and say that you watch the channel or whatever. You know, I'm always open to everybody that watches the channel. I'm super, because I'm thankful that you guys watch the channel. If you guys, you know, see us, it's going to be me and Gina, my girl, what you see on the channel. Thank you guys, as always, I thank you guys for watching.